Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility. Use your college ID or a valid edu or institute email. Once that's ready, sign into Flipkart or create an account using that same student email to simplify verification. Make sure your profile details, name, college, graduation year, match the ID you'll upload. Once done, download the Flipkart app and open the Student Offers or Campus Program section. This immediately surfaces exclusive coupons and starter discounts tied to your verified student. Next, verify your student status. Upload a clear photo of your college ID or follow the Edu email verification link. After verification completes, browse products and filter or look for student-only tags. These items show special coupon badges. When you find a product, tap the coupon or copy the student code, then add the item to cart. Make sure to apply the student coupon at checkout. Flipkart won't auto-apply some codes, so verify the discount line item before paying. To finish, pick your payment method and consider EMI or partner bank offers that combine with student discounts. Once you reach the order summary, confirm the student discount visibly reduce the total. Only then complete payment. If the discount didn't apply, cancel and reapply the coupon or revisit verification status. If verification fails or the coupon disappears, resubmit a clearer ID image or use app chat/support. Provide order ID and screenshots so they can resolve it quickly and restore.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.